What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change your name on the booking for British Airways airlines, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, we are gonna go through these options. So basically you are having a name correction option. So basically, most spelling corrections or amendments of a name on a ticket purchased directly with British Airways can be made by contacting them by phone. Please note this may incur charges and you may be asked to provide supporting documentation, and if your itinerary includes other airlines, to proceed may be more complicated. If you booked through a travel agent or a travel website, please contact them directly, and please be aware that it is not possible to update or correct a name on a ticket simply by entering the correct name spelling in the advanced passenger info, as this info doesn't actually make any changes to their e-ticket. Outside of their 24-hour cancellation policy, it is not possible to completely change the name of the person booked to travel, as tickets are non-transferable. A new booking would need to be made in the name of the new person that wants to travel. So guys, basically you cannot transfer a ticket to somebody else. That is sadly, so there are a couple of options which we went through. So overall, that's the entirety of the process about transferring a ticket. So that would be the entirety of the process, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.